In today's fast-paced world, clutter can quickly accumulate in our living spaces, leading to feelings of stress and disorganization. The practical need for organization in modern homes has given rise to a variety of creative home organizer crafts that not only help manage space, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of our environments. Crafting personalized organization solutions allows individuals to tailor their living areas to their specific needs, combining functionality with style. This approach is particularly relevant in modern living spaces, where minimalism and efficiency are key. Welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, we will show you different kind of home organizer craft ideas by turning simple materials into something extraordinary. Whether you love woodworking or chic home decor, this project will inspire you. Stick around, grab your tools, and let's build something unique and beautiful together. You won't want to miss this. The practicality of home organization crafts lies in their ability to streamline daily life. One of the most effective ways to tackle clutter is through the creation of customized storage solutions. For instance, crafting decorative baskets from natural materials such as jute or wicker can provide both functionality and a rustic charm. These baskets can be used in various rooms, from the living room to the bathroom, serving as stylish catch-alls for items that tend to clutter surfaces. The versatility of handmade baskets allows them to fit seamlessly into any decor style, making them a practical addition to modern homes. In addition to baskets, creating wall-mounted organizers is another effective way to maximize space in contemporary living areas. Wall-mounted shelves or pegboards can transform empty walls into functional storage areas while adding visual interest. By crafting these organizers, individuals can display plants, books, or decorative items, blending practicality with personal expression. For example, a wall-mounted shelf designed to hold potted plants not only keeps surfaces clear but also brings an element of nature indoors, enhancing the overall ambience of the space. Another practical craft idea involves repurposing old furniture into functional organizers. For instance, an old dresser can be transformed into a multi-purpose storage unit by painting it and replacing the hardware. Each drawer can serve a specific purpose, from holding office supplies to storing crafting materials. This not only extends the life of the furniture but also allows for a creative outlet in redesigning a piece to fit modern needs. The process of repurposing furniture also promotes sustainability, aligning with contemporary values of reducing waste and making the most of existing resources. Crafting storage solutions that cater to specific needs is another approach to home organization. For example, creating a custom charging station for electronic devices can help combat the chaos of cords and chargers that often accumulate in modern living spaces. By designing a designated area with compartments for different devices, individuals can keep their electronics organized and accessible, reducing clutter on tables and countertops. This idea not only enhances functionality, but also contributes to a more streamlined and aesthetically pleasing environment. In the kitchen, organizing crafts can greatly improve efficiency and accessibility. Crafting drawer dividers from wood or acrylic can help compartmentalize utensils, making it easier to find what you need when cooking. This simple yet effective solution minimizes frustration and maximizes productivity, which is especially important in busy households. Furthermore, decorative jars or labeled containers can be crafted to store dry goods, spices, or baking supplies. This not only keeps the kitchen tidy, but also adds a personal touch, showcasing creativity while maintaining practicality. Living spaces often require thoughtful organization solutions for small items that can easily get lost or create clutter. Crafting small organizers, such as fabric pouches or decorative trays, can be a practical solution for managing everyday items like keys, mail, or loose change. These organizers can be placed near entryways or on countertops, ensuring that essentials are easily accessible while maintaining a tidy appearance. The act of crafting these organizers allows individuals to choose colors and patterns that reflect their personal style, making them both functional and visually appealing. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves decor ideas. Let's create and decorate together. Another area where home organization crafts can shine is in the realm of children's spaces. Creating designated storage solutions for toys and books can teach children the importance of organization while keeping living areas neat. Crafting playful storage bins or labeled bookends can make tidying up more engaging for kids. A fun, colorful approach to storage encourages children to take responsibility for their belongings, fostering good habits from a young age. The practicality of these crafts extends beyond mere organization. They contribute to a harmonious living environment where everyone can find their belongings easily. The practicality of home organization crafts also extends to seasonal changes. Crafting organizers specifically designed for seasonal items can simplify the transition between different times of the year. For instance, creating labeled storage boxes for holiday decorations allows for easy access and efficient storage. By designing these boxes to be stackable and visually appealing, individuals can maintain a clutter-free space while ensuring that seasonal items are readily available when needed. This thoughtful approach to organization reflects a modern understanding of the need for flexibility and adaptability in living spaces. In the realm of home office organization, creating customized solutions can significantly enhance productivity. Crafting desk organizers that hold pens, notepads, and other supplies can help maintain a focused workspace. By designing these organizers to fit the specific dimensions of a desk, individuals can maximize their workspace while keeping essential items within reach. This not only promotes efficiency, but also contributes to a more harmonious work environment where clutter is minimized and creativity can flourish. Moreover, the act of crafting itself can be therapeutic, providing a sense of accomplishment and reducing stress. Engaging in home organization crafts allows individuals to take ownership of their spaces, transforming areas that may have felt chaotic into organized sanctuaries. The satisfaction derived from creating functional items that enhance daily life can lead to a greater appreciation for one's home. This emotional connection to the living space is particularly relevant in modern life, where individuals often seek comfort and tranquility amidst external chaos. The practicality of home organization crafts also aligns with the growing trend of minimalism. In modern living spaces, where less is often more, crafting organizers that help maintain a clutter-free environment is essential. By creating storage solutions that encourage mindful consumption and organization, individuals can embrace a minimalist lifestyle that prioritizes quality over quantity. This philosophy not only enhances the functionality of a space, but also promotes mental clarity and well-being. Additionally, the ability to create personalized organizers allows individuals to reflect their unique tastes and preferences. Unlike mass-produced items, handmade crafts can be tailored to fit specific needs and aesthetic desires, ensuring that each piece is both functional and representative of one's style. This personalization fosters a deeper connection to the living space, making it feel more like home. The practicality of home organization crafts lies not only in their utility, but also in their ability to enhance the emotional and aesthetic qualities of a living environment. As technology continues to evolve, so too do the opportunities for innovative organization solutions. For instance, incorporating smart home technology into crafting projects can enhance practicality further. Designing charging stations that integrate wireless charging pads or creating organizers that incorporate LED lighting can merge functionality with modern convenience. This intersection of technology and craftsmanship exemplifies the potential for home organizers to evolve alongside contemporary living needs. In the practicality of home organization crafts for modern living spaces cannot be overstated. From customized storage solutions to personalized decorative items, these crafts offer a creative approach to managing clutter and enhancing functionality. By addressing specific needs within the home, individuals can create spaces that are both organized and aesthetically pleasing. The act of crafting not only provides a sense of accomplishment, but also fosters a deeper connection to the living environment. In an era where minimalism and efficiency are paramount, home organization crafts serve as a practical solution for creating harmonious, functional spaces that reflect individual style and enhance daily life. That's another beautiful creation done. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more decor and woodworking ideas. I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!